Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to be making Jamaican jerk season, and for that we need pickle vinegar, the pickle one guys, and then we need some onions, we need peppers, we need like couple pegs of garlic. Like I've got what, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6, and I've got three spring onions, and I've got some thyme. And guys, for the spring onion, my dad taught me that on the inside it's dirty, so you should always cut it in the middle and wash them. And also we've got some pimento seeds. So I've got a bowl with some water that I'm soaking these lots. I'm washing them. So yes, I've already cut these open. And guys, as you can see, on the inside they're dirty. So before you use them, spring onions, make sure you cut them in half so you can see on the inside, and wash them. So I'm going to cut this one as well. So now I'm going to be washing them. Make sure you wash them thoroughly. And it's best to do it from running water guys, but because I'm doing the video, that's why I'm doing it from here. I hope you guys can hear me, because my voice is very low. So I'm going to be cleaning it up. So I'm going to be chopping them up and putting them in a blender. Pimento seeds. Put them in now. I'm washing the garlic. I'm just going to chop them in 2 halves. Adding them also. So I'm just going to add everything else and wash them. I've got 2 garlic peppers, hot. Let me smell it. Flavor like Flavor Aid. Now we're gonna wash our thyme. Guys, make sure you wash your seasoning. Wash them before you use them. And this can store in the refrigerator. Or if you want, you can store it outside in your cupboards. Wherever you want to store it. So these are the pimento seeds, straight from yard, fresh from yard. all the way from yard, mate. So you know. All the thing bingo. So now we're gonna add some of the pickle. Just a little. And then put the lid on. Now it's not blending. I'm gonna add a bit of water, guys. Probably 2 teaspoons of water because you want it thick, and because you've got the onion and the spring onion in, it's gonna spring water. So you don't have to add too much water to it. Let's see what it's looking like. So, gonna blend it, guys. You can add a bit of salt to it as well to help to preserve. Ready, guys? This can be used for anything. When I mean anything, I mean anything. I think that's it. It's ready. So, guys, as I said, you can use this for anything. If you're cooking your rice and peas, if you're cooking seasoned rice, if you're cooking chicken, jerk chicken, this can be used for anything. It's packed with flavor, guys. So yes, guys, this is good for jerk chicken. So this is my homemade jerk chicken sauce, guys. I'm gonna pour it out to make you guys see what it's looking like. And if you like it spicy, all you have to do is just pour some out, and you can add more peppers to your sauce. So guys, this is what it's looking like, and I'm gonna also taste it. Full with flavor. You can add a bit of salt to it. As I said before, it's packed with flavor, guys. Packed. So, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna use my spoon to remove the remaining here. The remainder. I don't want to waste none of it. Just had a bit of water or some vinegar. Get the rest. So guys, that's what it's looking like. It's good for any, when I mean I mean any, if you're cooking rice and peas and chicken, or chicken, fish, anything, it's the sauce, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Have a great day.